What happens when one of Bollywood's biggest stars walks straight into the middle of one of India's most controversial internet shows? Months after India's Got Latin landed in massive controversy and disappeared from YouTube altogether, a viral picture has now sparked a completely new conversation online. Because this time, the faces spotted on the sets were none other than Alia Bhatt and Sharvari. And suddenly, Samay Raina's show is back in the headlines again. The internet is buzzing after a picture from the sets of India's Got Latin Season 2 surfaced online. According to reports, Alia Bhatt and Sharvari were seen shooting for the show, reportedly to promote their upcoming YRF Spy Universe film, Alpha. The image quickly went viral, not just because of the celebrity appearance, but because of what this show represents now. Because let's not forget, India's Got Latin has been surrounded by controversy for months. The controversy began after Ranbir Allahabadiya made an explicit remark directed at a contestant during one of the episodes. The backlash exploded online and eventually led to legal trouble for several people associated with the episode. Reports claimed that fellow creators including Ashish Chanchalani, Apurva Mukhija and Jaspreet Singh also faced multiple FIRs after the incident. And in the aftermath, Samay Raina was reportedly asked to remove all episodes of India's Got Latin from YouTube, which is why this latest viral picture feels like more than just a casual celebrity appearance. For many online, it almost feels like the show is attempting a massive comeback, and leading that comeback are two actors attached to one of Bollywood's most ambitious upcoming films. Now, interestingly, this appearance also comes at a very crucial moment for Alpha, because the film itself is already being seen as a huge risk, and Alia Bhatt herself has openly admitted that. Speaking about the film at the Red Sea Film Festival in Jeddah last year, Alia Bhatt said, and this quote is now going viral again, "Alpha is the first female-led action film from the YRF universe, so that's also a risk because you've not historically seen that perform in the same way that the other male-led films have performed." That one statement has once again reignited conversations online. Can a female-led spy action film create the same box office madness as Shah Rukh Khan's Pathaan, Salman Khan's Tiger, or Hrithik Roshan's War? That's the big question, and clearly YRF seems ready to push Alpha in a huge way. Directed by Shiv Ravel, Alpha stars Alia Bhatt and Sharvari in lead roles, while Bobby Deol reportedly plays the primary antagonist. The film has already seen multiple delays. Originally expected around Christmas 2025, the release was pushed ahead to reportedly allow additional time for visual effects work. And now, the film is finally set to release on July 10, which means promotions are slowly beginning. But what nobody expected was Alpha promotions beginning with India's Got Latin, and that's exactly why social media cannot stop talking about this crossover. Some users are excited to see the show return. Others are questioning whether Bollywood stars should associate with a platform that was recently surrounded by controversy. But regardless of which side people are on, one thing is clear. People are talking, and in today's attention economy, that itself becomes the biggest headline. From controversy to comeback speculation, from Samay Raina's viral show to Alia Bhatt's biggest action gamble yet, this unexpected crossover has managed to pull the internet right back into the conversation. Now the big question is, will India's Got Latin successfully reinvent itself after all the backlash? And more importantly, can Alpha truly become the female-led blockbuster that changes the YRF spy universe forever?